If you've been trying to hide your likes on X, formerly Twitter, here's the good news. You don't actually need to do anything. Now hides user likes automatically, so the public likes tab has been removed from profiles. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through what that means, what other people can and can't see, and one extra privacy step you can use if you want to make your whole account more private. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, the main thing to understand is that X has already changed this feature for everyone. That means your likes are no longer publicly displayed on your profile for other users to browse. In the past, people could open your profile and view a likes tab. That option is gone now, so there is no manual setting you need to toggle just to hide likes. So if your goal is specifically to hide what you like on X, the platform is already handling that for you. Other users cannot open your profile and see a full public list of your likes. You also can't browse the public likes activity of other users the way you used to. And on individual posts, the old public list of accounts that like to post is no longer available in the same way either. Now, there are a couple of important details to know. Even though your likes are hidden from the public, you can still see your own liked posts on your account, so your personal liked content is still available to you. Also, if you post something yourself, you may still receive notifications showing who liked your post. That is different from your likes being public, and it does not mean other people can browse everything you've liked. If you came here because you want even more privacy, there is an alternative setting you can use to hide your posts, replies, and media from the general public. This does not specifically hide likes because likes are already hidden, but it does make your account more private overall. To do that, open X and go to the left sidebar. Click Settings and Privacy. From there, choose Privacy and Safety. Next, select Audience and Tagging. Inside that menu, look for Protect Your Posts and turn it on. Once that setting is enabled, only approved followers will be able to see your content. That's the simple answer. X already hides likes automatically, so there is no extra step required. If you wanted to make your account more private overall, turning on Protect Your Posts is the next best move. If this video saved you time, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more easy social media tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.